First, go to create a sketch and select the top plane. Select a line, construction line, make a construction line here with 80 millimeters of distance. Okay. Select the line again. Remove the line type construction. Click here, make a line here with 60 millimeters. Make a rectangle here, okay. Go to modify, select fillet, make a fillet here with 20 millimeters of radius. Okay, select the circle, make a circle here with 16 millimeters. Okay, go to mirror, select this line, will mirror this. The mirror line is this construction line, press OK. Finish the sketch and go to Extrude, select this profile, extrude this 25 millimeters, press OK. Now go to create and select the front plane. Go to create here and project include project. Select this face here and press OK. Hide this body. OK. Select line, make a line here with 50 millimeters of distance. OK. Sorry. And make a line here, make this sketch. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and this line here is 20 millimeters. And the angle between these two lines here is 30 degrees. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude. Show the bodies. The direction will be symmetric. Measurement, whole length. And the distance here, 50 millimeters. Operation join, press OK. We have this. Go to create sketch again, select the front plane. And go to create, select the project, include project. The filter, select the bodies, select this body here, press OK. We can hide this. Now select the line. Make a line here in the midpoint. Make this sketch here. The distance between these two lines here is 36 millimeters. Make sure that this line here is perpendicular with this line, okay? And go to modify, select fillet. Make a fillet here with 30 millimeters of radius, press OK. And select line, make another line here with 5 millimeters, press OK. This line must be tangent with this line, okay? With the same angle here. Okay, finish the sketch and go to create, select pipe, select this profile. The section size is 15 millimeters. Show the bodies here. Operation cut and press OK. We have this. Let me show for you. We have this, okay? Okay. Now go to construct, select offset plane. Select the top plane. We'll make an offset here, 25 by 2. Press OK. And now we'll go to create a sketch and select this new plane. Okay. Show the bodies. Go to create, select the project. This selection filter, bodies, select this body here, press OK. Now select the line. Let's make this sketch here. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two lines here is 160 millimeters. No problem if you get any error, okay? Just hold and drag the lines, no problem. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 30 millimeters. And here, 30 millimeters. Okay. Let's make a construction line here in the center. Okay. The angle between these two lines here is 45 degrees. And the distance between this edge here and this line here is 120 millimeters. Okay. Put the same dimensions here in this side, 45 degrees. And go to constraint, select equal. Make this line equal this line here. Okay. And go to constraints, horizontal, vertical. Click in this point and the point of the circle. Click in this point here. And here in the center of the circle. And we have it. Okay. Now go to fillet. The radius here is 20 millimeters. Not a construction type. Okay. Make another one here with 20 millimeters too. Every fillet here is 20 millimeters. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line here and this line is 80 millimeters. Press OK. Finish the sketch. You have this. Go to create, select the pipe, select this profile here. The section size is 12 millimeters of diameter, operation join, press OK. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and bye bye.